Well, it's the first morning of the rifle limited entry elk hunt in the Book Cliffs, and we just came across about 6 cows and a little bull with them. So hopefully we'll find the big one. Maybe it's around the next corner, maybe it's up the next canyon. We'll see. We're going after him.
Yeah.
Still looking. We just saw a potential shooter with this group of, I don't know, there's probably 10 or 12 elk.
Yep, we gotta ditch the four-wheelers and start walking.
Let's do it. Let's pull back there on that spot right there. Well, we're on the stalk here. We've got, I don't know how many elk we've seen this morning. Probably close to 20. And there's 3 or 4 bulls, one really good sized bull. Now we're gonna try to go up through this thick, up into that thick stuff. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. That would be great for us. Appreciate it. Vehicle. Give us a thumbs up.
We can still hear at least one bull bugling on the other side of it. There's a hill right here in front of us.
Which all those cows went right over that hill. So do we pursue and maybe blow them out of here, or do we come back tomorrow morning early and get set up?
I think coming back tomorrow morning early for a setup might be that would be ideal, because we don't want to scare them out of here. And we have some other cows.
They taste really good too.
We got some beef.
Alright, here we go, guys. It's now day 2. We're gonna go after that big bull that we saw yesterday morning. Stay tuned. We hope we have some good footage for you this morning. You guys see him? Morning hunt, day 2. We saw it's a 4-point, I'm sure, and then a spike, and about 4 or 5 cows. Go back to the 4-wheelers, drive around the point, get down in a canyon and kind of glass it, see if we can find something. So this morning's plan worked. We sat from dark until it got light. There was just a 4-point bull and a spike that we saw, and then a bunch of cows. I mean, the plan worked. Right now, we're still looking for the bigger bull. We'll find one. Wish us luck. Thanks. Day 2. We're setting up for the evening hunt. We're back where we were at this morning, but we're on a different ridge. And we're going to walk out and sit till dark. If we hear one bugle, we're going to pursue. Hot pursuit. And hopefully we can get a shot off tonight. Could happen.
It could happen.
Here we go.
Oh, I see him.
So we just saw a bull in this other side. It looks like he's going to come around. And this is where they've been coming up every day.
Starts bedded down, hasn't moved for a while, has some cows with him. They're just kind of moseying around. So hopefully Mike can get close enough, and when he gets up and starts moving around, then hopefully he'll be able to put a shot off. Here's hoping. Wish us luck. Folks, if you're watching this video, I know it's really, really hard to see, but you can barely tell the antlers right there in the center of the screen. That's the cow out that was bedded between us and the bull. The bull's still behind her, laying down. No, he's not yet. Maybe. Yeah, he might be down. No, he's still moving.
Success. Man, it was awesome. Dustin spotted him saying, hey, there's some elk, there's a bull right over here, he's bugling. So we came over here, we looked, and Dustin says he's about right where we're standing. And then he moved over and bedded down over here by these trees just around this little ravine here. And for like, I don't know, was it an hour? An hour?
Yeah.
We sat and watched him. And all you'd see is these horns, you know. He's doing this bit with his, looking around every once in a while. And there was a cow with him, and she stood up, and I thought, okay, it's go time. And she, I don't know where she went. She disappeared over here somewhere.
Yep.
And then, and so I thought, well, I'm just gonna wait it out. And pretty soon he got up and he started walking right toward me. I mean, I had a frontal shot. I had my crosshairs on him. I'm just waiting for that side shot. And he turned, and I just squoze gently and whack, and you could hear that thing smack him. And he didn't go far. He went a couple just back over there by those yellow leaves, and just I saw his antlers just kind of go over. And so we got us a 6-point bull out down in the Book Cliffs.
Good job, Mike.
Yeah. Western Hunting Expo tag. How about that? Miracle. It's a miracle. Anyway,
Yes.
let's go see him.
Let's go see him. Here we
Can't
go.
wait to get my hands on him.
Yeah, let's go get him.
Here, I'll take that.
Mike with his limited entry Book Cliffs
That was a nice bull, man.
bull elk.
Okay. Send that on. Yes.
Show us that smile.
I'm just so happy.
So you want me to try?
Well,
Hey, Davis, why don't you say something about coming out to help?
It was super fun helping with the elk.
Were you so happy to hear that Grandpa got an elk?
Yes.
How many times have you been hunting, Davis?
This is my first time.
Yeah. He's helping us out.
We are finally, it's almost 10 o'clock and we got the bull out. What a day. I mean, I got great son-in-laws and some good friends that we met up here that are taxidermists that's going to take care of this elk for me. He and his brother and brother-in-law, fantastic dudes, man. They came and helped cape it out. They helped quarter the elk, and it's been an epic evening. And God, I'm still in shock a little bit, but it was a great hunt. The way it went down, stalking it, getting into a couple hundred yards of it, bedded and waiting for it to stand up. It stood up and bugled, and then one shot and down it went. And it didn't go down the deep canyon, thank goodness. 50 more yards and it would have been down the deepest hole you ever want to be in.
Right.
Yeah, so frying pan and salt and pepper kind of deal where you go down and just eat it. Anyway, it's been a great night. My grandson Davis got to come and see it, and my dad was here with me, and it's been a great hunt. How buddy?
Yep.
Hope everybody enjoyed this hunt. Hit the subscribe button, give us a like, thumbs up. See you next time.
What was that movie?
Oh boy.
Let's see what you got.
Let me work on it. I got it. This is, the champion. It takes time.